What's up everybody? I finally got 1000 subscribers. Well, right now it's around 1200 subscribers. Anyways, we are doing really good. Big thanks to EricSurf6. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Before I'm gonna start answering question video, I'm gonna show you a really cool trick. Alright, check this out. You see forks hanging on a toothpick like that. But what if I got my lighter and light it up the corner over here? What's gonna happen? Look, it just goes off and it doesn't fall. Same thing I can do on this side too. Light it up and see what happens. Doesn't fall and light go off, just hanging on the ends. Let me know guys, what do you think about this trick? I have a lot of questions, so I'm gonna make it quick. Alright, back to question and answer video. One of the biggest fan, Hellno50696, asked this. He actually asked question first, before anybody else. He asked me about love and life. I'm single right now, so no love. Just love my family, that's it. Rain Show asked me that. Place one of your videos start with "Get to the chopper." That's what he wanted me to say. Like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Get to the chopper right now! You know, I don't know. Get to the chopper right now! Is that how you say it? Well, let me know if it sounds alike or not. Next question comes from Cheesecake9674. Are you interested in sports? If so, what you play and who is your favorite team? And you have an awesome accent, smiley face. Well, I'm originally a swimmer. I swam for like 16 years. Did it professionally. Well, I love football. I live in North Carolina, so I like North Carolina Panthers. They're awesome. Cam Newton will do some damage next season. I guarantee you. We'll see. Next question comes from 1998XX Bad Boy XX. Okay. And he asked, do you live in Russia? No, I'm not. I live in North Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina. Awesome city, bunch of hippies, bunch of mountains. Well, you know, very open-minded city, very nice, around 100,000 population. Not bad at all, but I love to travel, one thing for sure. Next question comes from Has2 Covitas. I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyways, you should do a video in Russian. Well, what do you guys think? Should I do a video in Russian? I can do that, and I can make English subtitles if you want me to. If you guys don't, say no, but if you do, thumbs up this video and comment below. Say, make a video in Russian and put the subtitles in there. I can do it, no problem. So next question comes from RWJ90. Can you please mention my channel in your next video? It would be great, and you are amazing. Oh snap, I just mentioned you in one of my videos. Well, the problem is I cannot mention everybody in your videos. I would do that in the future, like when I have a lot of subscribers, help somebody out, but you have to be awesome and I have to like your videos. If you're not so much, you know, I can't really promote everybody and it's kind of gonna be pointless anyway. So next question comes from Shikubalba. Where do you come up with the tricks in the videos? Do you just make them up or do you look for neat tricks? Well, Shikubalba, I am actually a lot of tricks I know before, and a lot of tricks I have to research them on the internet and then put my soul into it. Make them even better than what I find and make my own ideas and mixing up what I researched, and I only choose the awesome ones. I don't want to just take random tricks which is crap, you know. Well, I hope I answer your question. Next question comes from Danila. Man, he's Russian and he's actually writing in Russian. Привет, а вы из какого города? Well, he pretty much say, hi, where you from? Which city? Well, as I say, I live in United States right now, and North Carolina, Asheville. Next question comes from Greg 112156. You have more subscribers than me, but I have more videos views than you. How do you get your subs? Cause I need a lot. So do I. Help me out. Well, I don't know. People just like my videos and they say I'm up. They say I'm awesome. They love my accent, and you know, I have a nice camera, HD camera. I have nice lights. You know, it takes money and practice. You know, but I don't really know what is a successful thing exactly, because anything could be successful. Next question comes from X2 Cover Load. What inspired you to make videos? Well, there's couple channels. Shay Carl, Shay Tards, you know, this guy, I watched him probably first, like, since he started his videos. Then Dustin, Smarter Every Day. If you guys haven't seen him, check him out. Awesome guy, really cool videos. Then Vsauce, all the science channels, and I just love science, so that's my favorite subject. So that's what inspired me to do that. And I have a slow motion camera. I did that for a while. It didn't work. Then I have a lot of guns videos. I don't know if you guys want to see guns or not, but that's not what I'm doing over here. This is science videos. I'm gonna maybe make a gun channel in the future, but not right now, because it's kind of expensive, and you know, you have to keep up with the cool videos. So anyways, next question comes from Nightic. Where you born? Well, didn't you see the username? I'm born in Soviet Russia. Okay. Okay, next question comes from Kirdy Trip. I don't know how to pronounce it again. How old are you? Well, you know, if you go on a channel, my channel, there's on the side says about me. Well, it says 25. I am 25 years old. Anyways, next question comes from XX Muratoxikowaster66. Yeah. Good luck pronouncing that. And this is a Russian question. Вы можете прочитать это? Well, I just did it. So, any other questions? If I can read in Russian or not? Some people still think I'm not Russian, and I don't know why. Tell me why people think I'm fake Russian. Why would I be faking? Anyways, tell me in comments, why would I fake my why would I fake Russian accent? Anyways, so next question come from, and that's a cool question, Josh or on 92. When did you start learning English? Well, I came 6 years ago. I went to school for like 2 years for English school, learned a lot over there, but I had a job, and it kinda, when you all into, like, you know, everybody speak English, it's kinda a lot easier to learn than in school, you know. Pretty much took me 6 years and I still learning pretty much, you know. Well, anyways, next question comes from iCoolLaretube. Yeah, sure. Are you going to make Facebook page or maybe a Twitter account? Yes, I'm gonna make a Facebook page, but I wanna wait maybe till 10,000 subscribers, because I feel like it's almost pointless to make a Facebook page and I'm gonna post it up and I'm gonna have no likes over there, or like 100 and 200 likes on the page. It's not much. First, I'm gonna wait till a YouTube channel go. Actually, I never had a Twitter account, so I might do it. Let me know when should I do a Twitter account and Facebook page in comments below. Next question come from, what do you guys think? I got quite a few interesting questions. Let me know if I did a good job. That was my first video, like question and answer video, you know. I hope I'll get better at it. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, comment below what you think about all that, and I'll see you next time.